Hey, thanks for joining once again. Today we will be checking the usage of MMBE. If you're in need of checking any stock update for any given material, then you need to go to the T code MMBE. I'm typing the T code. So this is the initial screen. Though it's showing a lot of input field, as a mandatory requirement, you just have to provide the material information. And if you are working in an intercompany setup, then providing the plant information is also recommended. Otherwise, you will be getting a tons of unnecessary information from different plant. So only after providing the material number, I'm executing it. And there you go. MMB is giving you the stock update as per the batches. Say, for example, for this particular material, we have 3 batches, and these are the corresponding stock for these batches. But MMB is not limited to provide you only the stock update. If you want to get more information of this material or for this batch, say for example, if you want to see the manufacturing expiry date information of this batch, just select the batch, right click and click display batch, and you can see the manufacturing and expiry date information of that batch. Doing it one more time, you can get to these all links. Few of them are really popular, like checking the production order or the plan order, not the process order, only the plan order. You can check the MDO for material requirement list or purchase order. The most popular of this is the material movement. If you want to check the entire history of that batch, you can just click material movement and it will be giving you the entire history that has happened since the moment it got received. So that is it. For any single level stock update, we use MMBE.